हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अनलॉक साइकोलॉजी श्वेता वंस अगेन। तो आज मैं लाई हूँ कंटिन्यूएशन केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस का, जो कि मैंने लास्ट वीक भी किया था। ओके, सो इन टुडेज वीडियो मैं कंटिन्यू करूंगी चैप्टर 4 से रिलेटेड और केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, एंड आई एम श्योर ये केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आपको हेल्प करेंगे समझने में कि किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं या क्या वैरायटी या क्या टाइप हो सकता है इन योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का केस स्टडी 1। Sage is a 26-year-old doctoral candidate in English literature at a local university. She is in a good standing in her program and has plans to enter the job market in falls. She thinks that she is fat and has been self-conscious about her body since the grade 6th. At which time she began menstruating and developing breast earlier than the other girl in the class. She was teased and remembers feeling chubby, too big, and just wanting to be small like younger sister. She started dieting in the 7th grade, following a strict rules for weeks during these times. She would stock up on candy bars and other snack food and eat them, often in her bedroom. Late at night, her parents became concerned and tried to strictly limit her diet. This led to eating normal during the day and binging on those candy bars she kept hidden in her bedroom at night if she felt sad, scared, or mad. She grew into a habit of eating to feel better, relief that was only temporary, as she would feel ashamed without what she had done or resolved not to do it again. In college, her pattern of emotional eating continued. This felt more distressing to her because of the pressure to look as pretty and thin as the other girls. So she experimented with throwing up after late night eating and found that at least in the minute of the followed, she felt like she had much more control and believed that this would help her to prevent the weight gain she has dreaded. She fell into a vicious cycle of late night binge, typically consuming about 7 bars for 15 minutes, during which time Sage described feeling very out of control, followed by making herself throw up. In college, she engaged in these binge purge episodes about 6 nights. Today, she wants to stop binging and purging out, but she is also afraid that if she stops, she will gain weight. So isn't it a very interesting case study, guys? चलिए मूव करते हैं इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस की तरफ। तो इससे रिलेटेड जो मुझे लगता है क्वेश्चन बनेगा, नंबर 1 होता है कि identify Sage's disorder, like which disorder has she been going through. So we all know that it was anorexia bulimia that she was going through. So now the next question that I think has a potential for this case study is कि Sage's symptoms comes under which group of disorder. So we know it belongs to eating disorder, right? उसके बाद बढ़ते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ, जो है when Sage's experience physical change during puberty, other children teased and made fun of her, which led her to believe that she needs to lose weight. According to which model this could be the underlying cause of abnormality? So you have to tell me whether it is biological, socio-cultural, psychodynamic, या cognitive. So we understand that it was completely a socio-cultural reason. So you understand that the question could be from any part of it. यानी कि एक केस स्टडी दिया है, उसमें उन्होंने ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स की बात कर दी, उसी में उन्होंने पूछ लिया है कि वो किस क्यों, व्हाट आर द रीजंस, क्या कॉजेज हैं, राइट? एंड क्वेश्चन इससे इलेबोरेट भी कर सकते हैं, वो पूछ सकते हैं कि वो कह सकते हैं कि उस पर्टिकुलर कॉज को इलेबोरेट या एक्सपैंड करें। अगला क्वेश्चन जो इससे बनता है, what could be the possible reason for Sage's feeling or disorder in light of the diathesis stress model? So as we know कि diathesis के 3 steps होते हैं. So here comes the options: the biological predisposition followed by a stressful situation, the overgeneralization and negative conclusions, the unconscious psychological forces, or the last one, the inability to fulfill her potential. So obviously it is the first option according to the diathesis stress model, that you have a biological predisposition which leads and due to the stressful situation, since you're at risk, you tend to आपको प्रॉब्लम डिसऑर्डर हो जाता है, क्योंकि जेनेटिकली एक प्रॉब्लम है और एनवायरनमेंट में स्ट्रेस आया जिसकी वजह से आपको डिसऑर्डर हो जाता है. सो दिस इज अबाउट केस स्टडी 1. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आज के केस स्टडी नंबर 2 की तरफ। जैसा कि अब आप अपने स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, राधे इज a 32-year-old who lives with a 3-year-old son and wife. His wife was tested positive for coronavirus and his wife's health depleted and died in a hospital after fighting for 3 months. Since then, Radhe makes sure that his house is sanitized. He cleans his house 3 times a day. He extended his work from home to stay with his child and makes sure that his mother bathes his son 3 times a day. He washes his hands often and he also feels that his world around him is so dirty, so he carries spray to sanitize everything he touches. Now, here comes the question, guys, that you need to identify that which particular disorder that he might be suffering from, and you need to give a complete detail and explanation of this. Okay? So he is definitely suffering from OCD. We know it very very clearly. Question extend होकर ये भी आ सकता है that what differentiate between obsession and compulsion, so that you need to know more examples related to it. So I just hope, guys, that you really find my video very informative and I try my best to bring out the information जो आपको बहुत फ़ायदा दे, आप उससे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर पाएँ और इट प्रिपेयर्स यू, वो आपको आने वाले एग्जाम्स के लिए अच्छी तौर से प्रिपेयर करे। तो यही मेरी इंटेंशंस है एंड मेरे एफर्ट्स है। सो आई होप दैट यू अप्रिशिएट इट, शो मी सम लव, शो मी सम मोर appreciation. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't. Okay, so I'm gonna see you next week, guys. Take care till then. Bye.